Hello everybody. Oh, it's upside down. Should be the other way around. Yeah, so I'm just testing this microphone and look at my sister. She's just ignoring me. She's like shaking her head. There she is. I hope this thing is working fine, yeah. So, hey, it's Lindsay. Squad. Can you guys hear me when I talk? I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm just testing how it's gonna be like. If it's too noisy, I don't know if you can hear me, but
Ay, mama, shigidi, nakufa, hoy, wikidi, ay, mama,
Kale. Oh, I just heard somebody said she's vlogging.
Oh, I look cute.
Oh, I look cute. What about me? Who gonna film? Oh, the light is good. By the way, I'm filming with my phone, yeah? So, yeah, whatever. It's so awkward. I'm never confident filming around people when I'm alone, guys. Can you even imagine? Yeah. And yeah, my accent is kind of different because I've been watching too many doing now. Jesus. Going shopping with your parents or your older sister can be annoying. Like, seriously. I mean, it sucks. Oops, I didn't know that my mom was behind me actually. So I just found out after watching the video. But anyways, can you guys see my face? Like on my forehead, I have like a pimple here and here. Yeah, that's after eating chocolate. Oh, this freaking mouse. Hey guys, I think this microphone actually works really well. And if you're like a new YouTuber and you really need a microphone, you can just buy it from Aliexpress. It's cheaper there. And this one, I'll link it below so you can check it out. And yeah, peace out. Oh, hey guys, so I'm in Miniso. I'm just passing by, so I saw this little cute tripod. Wait, it's right here. And I think it's nice, but it's like $34. No, $27. Oh, here. How am I gonna? It's actually Bluetooth, and plus it has a light. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see the light? It's like, yeah, you can't really see because we already have so much light. So it has a light here. I don't know if you can see. Can you see the difference? So now it's off and now it's on. Can you see? And it has 2 different stages. Super nice. It's 20 something. So I think, can I get it? Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna get it. Oh yes. I don't know if it can be extended though. So yeah.
Technology.
So guys,
I got good taste in technology.
It's also, you don't have to come close to the mic. They can hear you. Yeah. So it's also extended. You can extend it however you want. So somebody just nearly bumped into me, and it's like so funny because he was like this, and then just when he was about to think, and then he looked and he's like, oh. It was too funny, bro. Yeah, so guys, this is without a mic. How do you guys find it? With a mic or without a mic?
you make my mind